My name's Keith Nichols. I work in the creative department. I'm eating the blueberry pie. It looks awful, actually.
All right.
Hey.
Get a little top off.
Yeah, I'm Jenny Sherholtz. I'm a sales rep at Manufacturing. And I'll be eating cherry. It's cherry.
Tape down, tape down. Keith, they say you look prepared.
This is my pie eating shirt. I actually brought it in today.
I'm Amy Holman. I'm an account manager here at Blue Sky, and I'll be eating very large apple pie.
That's enough.
No, you guys need more whipped cream on your face.
Quick top off here.
Ready, set, go.
Go!
We need to take pictures.
Oh my god.
Go! Go, guys!
They need some motivation. Go, 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 go.
All right.
Keith is winning.
Oh my God.
Where's Julia? Oh my god.
All right, here we go. There we go.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Good job, Keith. Good job.
Go, let's go,
Come on,
guys.
guys. Nom nom.
Oh god.
Funnel it.
Relax the dog.
At Jenny20, Amy, K-Train.
K-Train.
Representing Count Management, Amy. These are big apples. Or so blurry.
Oh, man.
It's only been like a little over
Go!
a minute, if that.
Keith
Keep going,
demonstrating
keep
this is
going.
not his first time in a pie
wow.
contest.
Ew. Oh my God. Disgusting. Do they have to eat the pie crust?
Getting
No, I think that'd be impossible. Without your
pretty
hand.
competitive here. We're getting down to it.
Oh.
Let's go, guys.
Holy camole.
It's close. It's close.
Let's do that.
Come on, Jenny.
Wait, there's some on the table, Keith. There's some on the table.
You better eat. Come on, Jenny.
Go, guys. Go, guys.
He's eating the
Come on, Amy.
Wait, is he supposed to?
I'd like to mention that all.
Isn't it Steve the Grass?
Or any calories at all.
Yeah. We should write on there that they're eating like 1,800 calories.
Jenny,
They
you
did
got
sign
this all
up to eat a
caps.
full pie, so I mean.
I think Jenny's rocking it.
Oh my god.
Go, Jenny.
Keep going, Jenny.
Go, Jenny.
Holy camole.
Wait, how are they gonna get to the bottom?
K-Train. Let's go. Let's go, Amy.
Use the nose.
Use your nose. Scoot it up.
What am I doing?
Get in there.
Oh my God.
Red nose for like the next 3
Oh my God.
Keep going.
Keep going, guys. Good
How
job.
much time do we have left on the clock?
Sorry.
A minute left.
No, it's been it's only been like 2 minutes.
Oh, man.
So I say we keep going until someone finishes.
But how are they going to get to the bottom part of the crust?
Oh, he's eating the crust.
They gotta
All
be-
these too.
They gotta be creative about that.
Okay, I think we should do like
Yeah, I think.
30 second countdown.
Go for it.
All right, 30 second countdown.
Tell me when to hit the gun.
29, 28, 27, 26. 20,
I can't get the bottom.
19, 18, 17, 16, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up! Raise up!
All right, let's see what kind of damage we've created here. Man, chats. Let's take a look here. I'm not going to be the judge of this, but we'll look really carefully here. Nice job, Keith Nichols. Oh, look at that. Look at that face. Look at that face.
Well, that crust is tough.
Look at that.
So sweet.
Let's check out here.
An after picture.
Jenny, wow, serious damage there. Look at that.
Ready?
Amy Holloman. That is no tough feat. I could not have done probably even half of that amount.
The winner of the red, white, and blue sky pie eating contest is, drumroll please, our creative director Keith Nichols.
Can I use a napkin now?